Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Danvat Pranam. Please accept my humble obeisance on your special day. I wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, and we sincerely pray that Krishna blesses you with a long and healthy life. You are an excellent teacher and guide to us, and we are truly thankful to you, grateful to you for bringing in Krishna consciousness into our lives. Today, on your birthday, we wish that you touch lives of thousands and lakhs of other people and mentor them on the path of Krishna consciousness like you have done for us. Once again, please accept my humble obeisance and wishes. May this be your most special birthday, and our beloved Krishna showers his endless and unlimited mercy on you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday Achyuta Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna to you. May Radha Rani bless you. May Radha Rani bless you. May Radha Rani bless you. Hare Krishna to you. May you always serve Krishna. May you always serve Krishna. May you always serve Krishna. Hare Krishna to you. Hari Hari Bol.
Krishna, dear Achyut Arjun Sakha Prabhu, please accept my humble obeisances. I wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. May their lordships Shri Shri Gandharvika Giridhari, Shri Shri Gaurnitai, Shri Shri Lakshmi Narasimha and Srila Prabhupada bestow your choicest blessings, bestow their choicest blessings upon you and fulfill all your spiritual desires.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, happy Krishna conscious birthday to you. May you accept our humble obeisances and may you live a long life to preach others like you've preached us.
Prabhuji, on your birthday, we want to thank you from the bottom of our heart for making our family a Krishna conscious family, and we want to help you in every step to make Bangalore a Krishna conscious city.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam Achyut Prabhuji. Wishing you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday.
We will be praying for pure devotion and good health to you, and will ask Krishna to bless you to guide many, many more souls into this pure Krishna conscious journey. We would have met you, come and met you in person, and wished you and taken your blessings. Hope you will be realizing this very soon.
Prabhuji, there are no words to thank you for guiding us for this Krishna conscious, spiritual path of Krishna consciousness. But we believe that it must be Krishna's will for bringing you as a guru in our life and guiding us in the spiritual path.
We shall be regularly praying for your spiritual journey, and once again wish you a Krishna conscious birthday.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna, these birthday wishes are from Devanandan family. Krishna to you, Hare Krishna to you, Hare Krishna,
dear Achyuta Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna to you. May Radha Rani bless you, may Radha Rani bless you.
Hare Krishna, dear Prabhuji. Hare Krishna to you.
Prabhuji, may Lord Krishna bestow his choicest blessings on you. May you get lots of opportunity to keep serving the divine couple. Please accept this Gur Laddu.
Prabhuji, open your mouth.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for all your selfless service and your sacrifices to serve Srila Prabhupada. Hari Bol!
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna and happy birthday to His Grace Achyut Arjun Sakha Prabhuji. it is under your tutelage and umbrella that we all have progressed in our spiritual lives. We've all taken fledgling steps under your tutelage, and for that we will always be grateful to you. And you've been rock solid. You've been standing behind us, through all the errors and mistakes that we've made, commissions and omissions, and correcting us, mentoring us, having faith in us, and helping us to, connect with the Paramatma within us. For all this and more, we'll always remain eternally grateful to you, Prabhuji. And I also wanted to say, thank you for waking up each day, having faith and having hope that you can make a difference in so many people's lives. I think you require a Vaishnava to, have that kind of mercy. And I think it is under your tutelage, under your umbrella that we've all started our spiritual journey. We've held your hands and walked along under your tutelage. And for this, we'll always be grateful to you. Lastly, I wanted to say I heard that Prabhuji likes mithai. So I'll be preparing some mithai and bringing it when I come there to meet you and take your blessings, Prabhuji. So Hare Krishna. And lastly, may you always remain socially distanced from Maya. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dhanvad Pranam. Happy birthday Prabhuji. Wishing you a great Krishna conscious year. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for all the support and guidance that you've given me. My prayers to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Gandharbika Giridhari and Srimati Radharani to shower you with the choicest of their blessings so that you may achieve every success in your personal sadhana and your preaching endeavor. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Achyuta Prabhuji. Please accept my pranams and respects on your special day. Wish you a very happy birthday. Praying to Lord Krishna to make your wish of Krishna conscious Bangalore to be a great success. Let me also take this opportunity to thank you to help us continue in the Krishna conscious journey with all your guidance. Wish you a great day and an amazing year, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday to you, Achyuta Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. In the Gita it is said, Tad vidhi pranipatena parikrashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. Achyuta Prabhuji, you have been that Guru for us in our life who's constantly trying to enlighten us, and having found you, all good fortune and auspiciousness has come to our lives. At every step, you have been like a parent, not afraid to displease the child, but only do what is good for the child. This quality of yours has really touched our hearts. However, I am yet to learn how to become a submissive student. I am hoping that this also comes to me through Guru's mercy. I want to thank you sincerely for instilling Krishna consciousness so deep in my husband Viraj Prabhu's heart. This has really ensured that I will also somehow hang on to the journey of Krishna consciousness till the very end. On your birthday, we wish and pray that everything that you have dedicated your life for becomes a success, and that you are able to fulfill your Guru's dream of making Bangalore a Krishna conscious city. And we will always be there by your side, Prabhuji, in whatever humble way that we can. Your servant, Ashwini. Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Achyut Prabhuji. Thank you for teaching us about Bhagavad Gita and Krishna. May Krishna bless you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, many happy returns of the day. May Krishna shower all his mercy to you. May Krishna bless you to fulfill the instructions of your spiritual master to make Bangalore as a Krishna conscious city. On this special day, I really like to express my gratitude to you. You have been a great teacher and guide to all of us. Your untiring energy, commitment, efforts are beyond words and always have been an inspiration to all of us. I would like to thank you to make me and my family follow the Krishna conscious path, and hope we keep making efforts to progress further on this way. Thank you very much. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, Achyuta Prabhuji. I'm Dakshani here wishing you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. And on your special day, I pray to Lord Narasimhadev to bless you with all the good health and energy to guide us now and always. And as I heard you like sweets, I have made some dry fruit laddus for you. And these are made specially for you. I hope you like it. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. On the special day of your birthday, we wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. May your desire to serve Krishna and his devotees increase day by day. Thank you for your valuable support and motivation. Best wishes as always. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna to you. May Radha Rani bless you. May Radha Rani bless you. May Radha Rani bless you. Hare Krishna to you. May you never take birth again. May you never take birth again. May you never take birth again. Hare Krishna to you.
Hare Krishna, Achyuta Prabhuji. My family and I take this opportunity to thank you for getting us onto this path of Krishna consciousness and always holding my hand and taking me forward in my journey, wherein I was very adamant to not accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But you, not giving up on me, made me realize that no, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And today, here we are as a family, as a Krishna conscious family, and my little newborn Nimai is just your blessings showered by God on us.
And Prabhuji, my mother has made a lot of sweets for me on your special day. Do you want some?
Prabhuji, let Arav know if you need some of those sweets so that we can come and give it to you at the IBC. Have a blessed day, Prabhuji, and thank you for being with us always. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. I pay my humble obeisances to you, wishing you a devoted Krishna conscious birthday. May Krishna give strength, resources and all beneficial circumstances to fulfill your heart's desire of Guru Maharaja's instruction of making Bangalore a Krishna conscious city. I am really fortunate to be in association with you, and hereby expressing my humble gratitude for all the selfless and selfless service and effort you are making to uplift any kind of fallen souls. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. We all wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. I am sure this year of your life was best so far given to Krishna. Rather, all last few years have been great, and we wish that the coming year of life is also as good as this or even better, where you progress more in your Krishna conscious journey and also progress more in the preaching mission given by your Guru to create 1 lakh devotees in Bangalore. We are all there to be in your service in whatever way possible, Prabhuji. We are very, very grateful to you. Because of you only we have made whatever little progress we have made in Krishna consciousness journey, and little angel is also starting off to pick basics and learn with us. You literally picked us from ignorance, from anarthas, and brought us into the path where someday we will surely become good devotees, Prabhuji. We are very, very grateful to you, and from the depth of our hearts, we wish you a very, very great appearance day and a great year of life ahead, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Prabhuji, I take this opportunity to wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. So, as in our initial Gita classes, we used to hear from you that how devotee association is very important. And that importance we realized through your association, Prabhuji. Whatever, I mean, we are not at all eligible for whatever mercy and seva opportunities you have been giving us. And whatever little progress we have made, it's all because of you, Prabhuji. So we thank you from our bottom of the heart. And Prabhuji, may you progress more and more and bring more people into Krishna consciousness, and we will help you always. We will be there with you, whatever you ask us to do, Prabhuji, and help you in your mission to make Bangalore a Krishna conscious city. So thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Wish you a very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. I would like to recite this shloka for you. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayakshati taddam bhakti baritam ashnami prayatatmanah. The translation is, if one offers me a leaf, flower, water or fruit, I will accept it. We will sing happy birthday song for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Prabhuji. Happy birthday to you. Krishna bless you. May Krishna bless you. May Krishna bless you always. Happy birthday to you.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranams to you. Many more happy Krishna conscious birthday. Krishna bless you abundantly with his choicest blessings. I have learnt many things and improved in my spiritual path because of your teachings and guidance. So grateful to you, and I'm so fortunate and blessed to have your association. And I'm happy to share today. I have offered puja to Krishna, and I have offered my humble bhogas to Lord Krishna, coconut rice, ghee, channa, on auspicious day of your birthday. And I always pray for ISKCON movement, and I have prayed for you with full devotion to Krishna. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Please accept my humble obeisances on your lotus feet. First of all, wish you very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Prabhuji, I wish you will never birth again. It will definitely happen. It's a very great opportunity, like Balanso, like me, to associate with you, since you are a very great devotee and you are always deeply submerged in following your Guru Maharaj's instruction, that is to make Bangalore as a Krishna conscious city. And he was always engaged in preaching and following Parampara instructions and your Guru Maharaj's instructions. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. My obeisances to you, please accept them. I want to take the opportunity to wish you a very happy, pious and a devotional birthday. I want to take this opportunity to tell you how much respect I have for your passion, your dedication, your kindness, your perseverance, your intelligence, and the fact that you've sacrificed your life to preaching, which is liberating us. I will be forever in your gratitude for having changed my life and brought me in the path of Krishna consciousness. And I think I just want to say that you are and you will make a great spiritual guru. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. I wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Prabhuji. I'm dedicating Krishna Conscious Bhajan to you.
A happy Krishna conscious birthday. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. A very happy Krishna conscious birthday to you. May Krishna bless you with loads of health and happiness. Thank you for being my guide in the path of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday and many more to come. I am very thankful and grateful to you for bringing me into Krishna consciousness and introducing me into this spiritual path. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam, wishing you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Over last 2 years, by Krishna's mercy and by constant guidance from you, I've been able to slowly and steadily progress in my Krishna conscious journey. Be it waking up early in the morning for Mangalarti, chanting 16 rounds, listening to Prabhupada lectures, my entire day routine has changed, and I'm thankful to you for guiding me there. And I pray to Krishna that our association continues further and I will be able to progress more in my Krishna conscious journey. Please accept my humble obeisances, and I would like to offer some fruits on your birthday, and I know other devotees have offered sweets, so I believe like a lot of sweets is not good for you, so hence I am offering fruits. Hare Krishna.
Radha Raman Hari Govinda Jai Jai, Radha Raman Hari Govinda Jai Jai, Govinda Jai Jai, Gopal Jai Jai. Gauranga bolite habe pulak sharir, Hori Hori bolite nayone pavaniro. Ar kove nita chander korona hoibe, সংসার বাসনা মোর কবে তুচ্ছ হইবে, বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন, কবে হমাহে রাব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন। জয় বৃন্দাবন ধাম, বৃন্দাবন ধাম, বৃন্দাবন ধাম, জয় বৃন্দাবন ধাম, জয় জয় প্রভুপাদ, 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 জয় জয় Premanande, Hari 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 Bol. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Bhagavad Gita. If you remember, through Bhagavad Gita classes, we first got associated with you, and till date, we really cherish those memories. You have transformed our lives very, very transcendentally, and this is just a token of appreciation. Please accept our humble obeisances. Dandavat Pranam. You have touched many lives so far, and hope you will touch many more in the coming times. Thank you for everything, Prabhuji. You have touched us very deeply, and you have paved a wonderful path for all of us towards our spiritual progression. And here's wishing you your travel back to Godhead.
this very lifetime. May the Supreme Lord bless you in this regard. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, wishing you a very very happy birthday.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी हमको हमारे बहुत सारे विश्वस्त सूत्रों से पता चला है कि आपके पास इस जन्म में ही गोलोक जाने का टिकट है। तो हम सारे आपके चेले चपाटे आपको पकड़ के रखेंगे और आपके साथ हम लोग जाएंगे ही जाएंगे। इसीलिए हमने सोचा है कि अब की बार आपको छोड़ना नहीं। और आप एक और बात करनी थी कि आप जो प्रीति के बारे में बोल रहे थे, तो हम एक ही बात बोलना चाहते हैं सर, हम भौकाल मजा देंगे साथ में।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। दंडवत प्रणाम।
दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु।